Here I have a 7-pin Corbin Russwin. There's the bitting on it. As you can see, it's crazy. That 7th one is super tough to get to. I had to make a special tool to get it. The lock was sent to me by Selim, so thank you very much for the lock. And Farmer Freak gave me the idea of making just a special tool to reach that 7th pin. And also, I have to use it to hit that 2nd pin and get it set. And this thing has got a bunch of security pins in it, so I'll gut it once I get it picked here. As you can see, there's all kinds of little false sets going on. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to use this and go in and try to set that 7th pin. Just a little at a time. And try not to get my tool stuck in the process. It's another false, bigger false yet, so hopefully, let's see. Hopefully it's just pin number 2 now, I think. So I use my little tool here, get under just pin number 2. And this tool gets hung a little bit there. I think number 7 set. Just this, maybe the 2nd pin. That's that overset number 1. It doesn't feel like it. It's definitely just one pin. It's locked in that false there. My lifter's getting weak from too much use. There it is. It's that second freaking pin again. Took long enough, damn it. But as you can see there, it is picked. So I'm gonna lock her back up and I'll gut it real quick and show you what's inside. Just the addition of that 7th pin and all those security pins in it made this a bastard to pick. There's all 7 of the key pins. I'm going to dump in the tray here. Okay, then we'll get the top pins out. She has pins from a pyramid lock. And looks like lab spool pins in it also. So let's whip her around here. There's one. We got a regular key pin, pyramid top pin, pyramid bottom, pyramid top, pyramid bottom, lab top spool, regular key pin, lab spool pin, regular key pin, pyramid double spool, regular key pin, lab spool, regular key pin, pyramid key pin, and a pyramid double spool. So I'll give you one more shot of the key here. So that's it, 7-pin, custom pinned Corbin Russwin, sent to me by Selim. Thank you very much for the lock again, and thanks for watching.